many people doing works as a freelancer, and many people doing a job. Doing job is hard, and doing business is also is hard. Choose your wise pathway, because whatever you're doing, it will mm, time is going and going. You just have to you just have to believe in yourself, and you just have to um, take over the line and start your business, and so you can overcome your poverty line. I will teach you about how to make money from online, and on today's our topic is about on Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancing app where you can when you can earn multiple income from various sections. So now we're gonna start this Fiverr.com. First of all, you need to go to Chrome, or else you have to you can go to there also, in Play Store. So you can download, so you can install the app from them there too. You just have to click here Fiverr. What's happening? I think I have a little bit poor network connection right now. Okay, currently it's not available, I think. So we will go through the um, Fiverr. So first of all, I will tell about what is Fiverr, and how you can monitor if this Fiverr application or whatever is this website in your mobile phones, right? So we'll, so first of all about mm, mm. Fiverr app is a free marketplace that connects freelancer with clients for digital services. Fiverr offers a variety of services including video and animation, music and audio, business operations, graphic design, development, SEO means search engine optimization, logos, and website and copy. Here are some things you can do with the Fiverr app. Find a freelancer. You can use Fiverr application as a buyer or as a seller. So you can, if you need any service, you can buy service from any freelancer. And if you want to if you if you have any skill, then you can go to Fiverr and be a freelancer one and provide service to other people by showing there are lots of web, yeah, skills in Fiverr application. So here are some things you can do with the Fiverr app. Find a freelancer, browse services by category, keywords and filters. Means we will go to there, you know, look at these two. How to, first of all, I will tell about how to work on, how to use Fiverr, and how it's all chronology, right? Four simple steps to your success. Find a freelancer you like with the skill you need. They are how to get started. First one is browse and search. Explore services using categories, keywords, filters to find what you are looking for. And second one is get in touch. Reach out to your preferred freelancer to discuss your project. Third one is place your order. Choose a gig GIG package or a request a custom offer before providing your requirement. First one is review and approve, and first one last one is review and approve. Receive the delivery and share your feedback with the commentary that how start that at Fiverr, that how Fiverr works, right? Mm. So I will we back again to the previous page. So uh, what you can do with the Fiverr app. So I will tell you lots of things about what you can do with the Fiverr app. You can become a finder, freelancer, get in touch, place your order, review and approve, and seller dashboard. Browse, find a freelancer me, find a freelancer me. Browse services by category, keywords, and how you can find a. I mean, how you can find a freelancer. You can go to browse services by categories, keywords, and filters. Second one is get in touch. Contact freelancer to discuss your projects. Place your order means choose gig package or request to custom offer. First one is review and approve. Receive the delivery and share your feedback. Fifth one is seller dashboard. See activities from unread messages, revision requests, requests, upcoming deliveries, late deliveries, and new orders. Fiverr also offers a Fiverr Workplace as a business management software that help freelancer, solopreneur, entrepreneur, and SBMs get organized. Fiverr Workplace include Fiverr Workplace includes tools for time tracking, invoicing, payments, proposal, contracts, task management, and income expense tracking. You can also watch this video to learn more about how Fiverr works, right? You will not go to go to see the video uh, because currently I am also so explaining how to work Fiverr works. We also we will also tell you about Fiverr extra some extra information about is that Fiverr is a world leading marketplace for digital services. Share your sales with our buyers community and make money while you are yet in. Whether you are a graphic designer, programmer, content writer, translator, or voice or artist, Fiverr is the place for you. How to start sell on Fiverr? I will go this article and we will read this article right now, right? How to sell on Fiverr? So how to start selling on Fiverr, right? Uh, so answer is that Fiverr is a world leading marketplace for digital service. We already told you about that. Below you can find a great tips to start selling on Fiverr. Creating your seller profile. Your profile is how you present yourself in the to the community. And we always encourage professionalism. Not. If you create your account on the mobile app, you will need to complete this step on your desktop. How to we will I will teach you about creating your seller profile. So we will go this line and we will create how to create a profile. Your profile represent your profile represents you to the community. We encourage you to showcase your expertise and maintain a professional appearance by providing a complete and authentic profile. You not only enhance your visibility but also build trust with potential clients, establishing a reliant and professional presence on our platform. If you start selling for the first time, you have to go there. We will go there, right? First of all, we need to go and then you need to go for convert because to to comply with new enrolling regulations. Recently joined freelancer will need to fill in the some essential account information before creating or a Fiverr account. This helps ensure a trustworthy platform for everyone for for fostering a strong foundation of trust between freelancer and customer, right? Creating your GIG means your gig is service you sell on Fiverr. Your GIG is that you use. what kind of service you providing on or Fiverr application or Fiverr platform. When you create GIG, you have you will have the opportunity to show off your talents and provide buyers with all information that could need to help them decide to do business with you. How you can create your gig? We will go to this link. How to create your GIG. The service you offer and sell in the marketplace is called as the GIG. Your gig is an opportunity to showcase your talent to potential buyers and to and provide them with all information they may need before they choose to place an order with you. Creating a creating and editing a GIG important. You can also only create your GIG and seller account on a desktop. Due to the next level system, all GIG statuses expect deleted and automation GIG. Example: logo maker, consultation, and consultation jigs. Right. So uh, what I'm talking to you, due to the new level system, all GIG status expect deleted and automation gigs are taken into account for number of gigs. If you try to create new gig when you reach your limit, the page will simply reload without displaying any content. This is not an error. To create more gigs, you will need to delete some of your existing one, right? How to create your gigs? Login, switch to selling my business gigs, click my profile and create a new gig. Gig. After you have completed step of 1 to 5 explain below. mm, I will explain 1 to 5 steps below. After you can after you complete the step, you have to step and continue. I mean save and continue, right? to, to make any changes and edit your gigs, first you need to log in and gigs. Second one, you find the gigs zig you had like to edit from your drop down list on the right and edit. And third one is make change and save. Mm. We are on the page in the gigs. So step one, overview. Gig title. I mean gig title. Make sure that your title is short, clear, and to the point. My means you have to add in short about your potential and your skills. Buyers should recognize the type of service that you offer immediately. Fiverr helps you start with I will. You means I will, I can, right? If you can do that. Uh, Category. Select the appropriate content category and subcategory for your gigs from the drop down menu. Fiverr recommends this based on your title. You won't be able to change your Zix category after it's published. So choose carefully and ensure that the category matches your service that you are providing. Not not that point is that gaming is not a category. If you provide service related to gaming, select a category related to gaming or define the criteria in the Zix metadata area further down, right? Example, if your service is game design, select graphic and design, and you can go after you can go this page to game design. Service type. uh, choose a service that choose a service type to make sure that you appear in the service result of a category you selected. Note, this is only available for certain categories. Gigs metadata, select a relevant criteria for each topic. Note, this is only available for certain categories. You can go to, after you can go to search tags. So in search tag, you have the first point is that add up to 5 words uh, or phrases that best describes your gig. Second one, click save and continue. First step is overview. So second step is overview step is or and we are on the second step. Step 2 is about scope and pricing. How you can scope and pricing your gigs. That you are selling anything you on Fiverr, right? Name your package. First, you need to add that name you on your package. Describe the detail of your offering in the area provided. Delivery time. Use the drop down to select the numbers of days it will take for you to complete your zigs. Second one is select the various item you would like to include in your services. Extra not. Uh, this depends on the types of service you are offering. Example, if you offer a logo design services, you can select options from a predefined list of items, mm, such as the number of logos to include the source of files or high resolution file. Now the next step is revision. Fiverr system requires all seller to provide an option for buyers to request a revision. Use the drop down to select the number of revision you include your rigs. Not additional revisions are recommended for rigs that include customization or creation. Now, first last one thing is price. Uh, Select a price for your service determined by the standard rigs package uh, for your category and subcategory, ranging from minimum $5. Right? We will go to this link standardized rigs package. uh, how you can pricing your gigs? So we're gonna explain briefly in this topic, right? Implementing a standardized gigs package is necessary step toward enhancing the platform's catalog and driving your business growth. By ensuring that your gigs are in the particular category, deliver precise and relevant service offering. Standardized packages contribute to a more streamlined and consistent user experience. Standardized package also establish a consistent service scope within a basic package of each gigs, enabling buyers to compare different offer for each standardized category. Certain pricing elements are set of minimum standard and must be included in the each package with your gig. What you need to do? Follow the instruction in the gig create and edit flow. Uh, what you need to do? Follow the instruction in the gig create and edit flow. First one is please review the category requirement and take the time to thoroughly understand the standardized package requirement for your specific category. Identify the minimum price pricing element that you need to do be included in each packages with your gigs. Second thing is when editing your gig to go through the zig creation or editing as instructed and make the necessary adjustment to your gig to fit into the category minimum requirement. Ensure that you are included all the mandatory price element within each of your gig packages. Third thing is uh, evaluate whether of your gigs still align with a minimum requirement. If your gig does not meet the minimum requirement, consider moving it as into a more relevant category where your potential buyer are more likely to see it. Fourth thing is uh, there are limitations that are specific to gig packages structure and do not apply to customer offer. If you encounter a buyer with a different requirement, you can create a custom offer based on their specific needs and agreed upon price. Fifth thing is please make sure to provide all of your information. Missing information might impact your exposure to potential buyer, as some research experience on the platform are based on mandatory field within your packages. Make sure that you complete all of the necessary field and provide comprehensive information about your service. 6th thing and the last thing is that make sure to respond your notification promptly. Keep an eye on any notification on the seller dashboard. It's important to complete the relevant update within the provided timeline. Failure to comply with the required modification within the agreed upon time frame could impact your gig's visibility on the platform. Gig may be affected if this required modification are not made within 30 days. Standard standardization uh, standardization types, right? The example below from overview and pricing tags tabs in the gig create and edit flow. They are they represent the standardized factor and requirement of your gig to be valid and remain its current category. Service type is a part of a category tree, a level inside a subcategory. Choosing the right category is important to display a gig to the right audience and essential to get the right pricing and database of your services. How this looks like. See, mandatory gigs metadata. Some of your metadata on the gigs level may be mandatory. It is essential to it is compulsory. I mean, mandatory means compulsory. It's essential to specify what what are the areas of focus of your gigs inside the category. Filters on search and browse pages used to use it to expose and relevant gigs to right user. Numeric value element that include a number of items, words, seconds, pages, hours, and etc. And must be included in the package minimum scope. The number included in the package should be exact or above the value. You can see there. You can add some words here. Fixed value, a specific value that should be same across all the gigs in the category describing the same scope of work. Include service. This pricing element in an integral part of service that service or integral part of the service type and part of the basic scope. There are no option to define a gig in this category without delivering this in this is in the package. Exclude service. So where we are right now, exclude service. This pricing element cannot be part of these packages and may be available in other packages or as an extra only. We will back to all that we will explain in total words about this Fiverr application. So how you can start your gigs and how you can earn from it. So minimum price. The package price must be above the amount in order to keep the geeks prices realistic to maintain the category reputation as a high quality service and ensure fair competition at storefront. Additional extra, we recommended it to include the pricing element as an extra to expand your offering to higher scope and meet more potential buyer.